Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Kia Soul key fob. First, make sure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery ready. Next, find the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly, then carefully pull out the emergency key blade. This step reveals the perfect spot to begin opening the fob. With the emergency key removed, you'll see a small slot. Insert your flathead screwdriver into this opening. Now, gently twist the screwdriver to carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob case. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Once open, you can easily lift out the old CR2032 battery from its holder. Now it's time to install the new battery. Make sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards when you place the fresh CR2032 battery into its compartment. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob case and press them firmly together until they snap shut. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear a reassuring click. After reassembly, it's a good idea to test your key fob. Check if the lock, unlock, and trunk release buttons all function properly. Replacing your battery every 2 to 3 years helps ensure reliable performance. For an effortless clean, consider upgrading your home with a smart robot vacuum. You can find a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, along with other great deals, in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.